Multi-head multi-axis automatic punching machine on-site application demonstration episode 3. Our fifth highlight is that this machine is very easy to operate. We have a PLC control system here. I will show you a manual screen first. You can just select it directly. It is a very flexible touch screen. Select the third. The others are still. We only select the third one to move. Then I will select one more. Then the third and fourth ones will move. And you can see that the fourth one has a feature. We have solved the problem of small hole distance. How do we solve the problem of small hole distance? As you can see, in this fourth head, we do not only process one hole, one islet, but a group of 5 irregular holes that can be processed at the same time. So, although our machine has 6 sets of power heads, the fourth one has 5 drilling spindles. So, we can say that the whole machine can drill multiple holes and multiple hole positions at one time. This is a 5-in-1 combination. So here we focus on the multi-axis combination with multiple holes.